Hey everybody, Life's Journey here. So guess what? Finally back doing some videos, get some content out. Took a little bit of a break, so I'm sure you guys saw a couple of videos or whatever. But what I wanted to talk about was my run at Marshmadness. Yes, second place on the big bikes in the trials competition. Now, when you guys see this video, you're going to be like, wait a minute, he took second place in the big bikes? Yes. Now, I didn't get very much footage of anybody else there because after I got doing my run, I ended up talking to some people, missed some other folks. I think I was third or fourth that went in the competition. So I didn't get a lot of film of anybody else doing the run. But a couple of things that you're going to see. One, you're going to see me as soon as I drop into the creek. My front end just kind of buckled. There's a couple boulders there. You don't really see one in the water, but you see the big one. But I think I kind of used an old not an old technique, but just a technique of not dabbing too much. I planted my left foot on the rock that you guys will see the big one, and I kept my foot on the peg on the bike, and I kind of picked the bike up, just manhandled it, picked it up. I ended up catching the foot peg on the corner of the rock and kind of finally got that loose, and then you guys will see I come up and I bounce my front tire off. And I've done this trials thing before. And normally when you go up between the two trees and the ruts, you want to stay right because there's a rut on the left, or there's a tree root on the left that if you hit it, you bounce backwards, which is exactly what I did. Now, in my mind, I'm already like, oh geez, I almost dropped the bike going in. Half dropped it, half kept it up. Woo.
Come on, here we go. Gotta let out on the clutch.
I got it. But then as I started watching the rest of the video, I think I cleaned pretty much everything else for the most part. Now the bottom, this soggy bottom, was brutal back there. I mean, I have a proclivity to tear up clutches, and I'm surprised I didn't tear mine up. But a lot of guys had to get hooked, pulled out, dump their bikes and stuff like that. But I didn't drop it.
I got you.
I didn't drop it anywhere else. Kept the bike up. Didn't really dab anything except for going through that bog. At the very end, you'll see I came up for the one thing, and I got a little bit, I guess, tight to the hill, and a boulder there was underneath some sand and loose rock, and it kind of gave away and pushed me off. But I kept it up. All I did was circle back and finish the rest of the route. So evidently that's, I mean, you know, I think part of it is just not dropping the bike and all this other stuff. And a lot of guys dropped their bikes, or some guys didn't even do the creek bed. They just didn't do it at all and kind of did the other stuff. So obviously you get points deducted, whatever it is. But very fortunate. So this is my run at Marshmadness. Let me know your thoughts. It was a good time always. And trust me, I was super surprised that I took second place anyway. So anyways, this is it. Let's do it. Thanks. Bye.
Come on, here we go. Gotta let out on the clutch.
I got it.
Going down the swamp.
I got you. We're at oh shit. Fuck. I got you. Which way? Oh, shit. Ah, fuck. Oh, I got through it. Oh, I got through it. Holy shitballs, dude. I tried. Oh my God, I got hung up in that back bog. I just kept trying to walk it out of there. And sure enough, I hit a rock as soon as I went in and dumped it right into the beginning there. I almost made it out of the creek bed, except for I hit the thing. Boom. Thanks. I tried. At least I tried. What's up, brother? How you been, man?
Good
seeing you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Your trip in Baja looked fantastic.
Oh man, it was a great time.
A lot of those guys are they're watching.
Thanks.
Hey, we made it down 82 yesterday.
Nice, I love it.
Yeah, we took them up.
That end was pretty gnarly, wasn't it? Coming down, yeah.
Well, we went up it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
But pretty gnarly, though.
Yeah, it is. It was fun. There was a couple of stall outs, but other than that,
Did you get a lot of traffic?
no. We
Oh,
did it.
good for you
We
guys.
did it late in the day.
Yeah. Well, good. Did you guys have fun, though? Oh, yeah, thanks.